Hi, and welcome to this tutorial on how to uncrate and perform the basic hardware installation of the Robotiq Palletizing Solution. The Robotiq Palletizing Solution is an easy-to-integrate cobot application solution. Simply add a UR10 universal robot's arm and you are ready to go. Before going through the steps, make sure that a hoist or a forklift is available near the uncrating location. You will need it later on. The Robotiq Palletizing Solution is shipped in a wooden crate to protect the hardware from external elements. Before opening the crate, conduct a careful inspection to make sure there is no damage or defect. Should this happen, please contact the Robotiq support team for assistance. It is recommended to have at least 2 people perform the following steps. Please read the installation guidelines and safety requirements in the product manual available on Robotiq's support website. Open the crate by removing the screws from the top and then the 4 sides. Cut all the straps that hold the components together. Take all cardboard boxes out of the crate. Please leave the cable and wire protectors in place to avoid any breakage. Unscrew the 4 bolts that hold the rectangular base in place. Take the base out of the crate manually or with the forklift. Unscrew the 2 bolts that hold the column in place. Lift the base of the linear axis using a hoist. Unscrew the piece of wood under the base. Remove the piece of wood and lower the base of the linear axis slowly and carefully until it reaches the base of the crate. Position the linear axis vertically with the hoist by using the lift point at the top of the axis. Be careful not to compress any cables during this operation. Attach the base to the linear axis using the 4 M10 screws. Use the socket supplied with the kit if required. A torque of 50 Newton meters is recommended. Install the provided set of casters to move the palletizing solution to its final position in a safe manner. First, install the 4 leveling bolts supplied to lift the entire unit about 1 centimeter. Then install the 4 casters. Once installed, unscrew the leveling bolts. You can now move the solution to its final destination. Do not operate the palletizing solution at full speed before the device is firmly anchored and the machine area is cleared. See you next time for the final steps of the electrical and mechanical installation of the Robotiq Palletizing Solution.